Quick question. Are you struggling to calculate commissions using Bullhorn Data? If yes, you know the pain. Manual spreadsheets and unhappy payees. Let's fix that. Step 1. Activate Sales Cookie's native sync with Bullhorn using the link below, and your Bullhorn data will flow in automatically after that. Step 2. Build your commission plan. Answer a few questions and the AI Plan Designer configures the commission plan in minutes. I'm calling my plan the Account Manager Commissions Plan. It's a monthly plan using the Bullhorn placement date. Performance is measured per account manager using the AM field already in my Bullhorn data. If multiple AMs are assigned, credit is split automatically. For simplicity, I'm using a flat percentage payout based on gross margin collected for all contractors the account manager manages. Here's the fun part. Sales Cookie instantly generates a clean visual summary so you can confirm the plan setup at a glance. Step 3. Run a test calculation. In under a minute, Sales Cookie will analyze my Bullhorn clients, candidates, contract placements, credit the right account manager, apply my commission rules, even generate the commission statements instantly. If an account manager was logged in, they'll see their latest commission statement with details on their book of business and gross margin. It gets better. Payees can sort, visualize, graph their placement and commissions data using any fields in your own data. They can run searches, export their data, reorder their data columns. They can see more details at the transaction level and submit inquiries from within the platform. They can view their payout across commission periods. They can self-service and analyze their data using the powerful multilingual AI assistant. Are your commission plans more complex? No worries. Sales Cookie handles advanced logic with clarity and ease. When you're ready to stop calculating commissions manually, book a demo or start your free trial today. No credit card required. Thanks and see you next time.